Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply, and we're going to talk about the Westpak Blaster 2 hard surface wand in this video. You'll notice a few different pieces on the table, and I'm going to explain what each one is for. So of course, starting out, we have the wand itself. This is a 1.5 inch stainless steel tube. We have our standard K valve at the end here with the male quick connect. You can change that out to a female if you like, no problem there. You can also add in a filter. If you want to have an inline filter, that's an option that you can add as well. Right here we have a quick connect. This will pop off, so if you want to swap heads, then you just unscrew this, disconnect that, and then put a new head on. Inside the head, there's 4 jets, and they overlap just a little bit, so each jet is turned slightly sideways just so you don't have a collision of the output of the spray. But you've got the 4 spray jets there inside the vacuum portion of the head. And then you'll notice we also have 2 different types of inserts on the head. This one's a squeegee, and then this one's a bristle. My personal recommendation is if you're using a truck mount with this tool, use the brush version or the bristle version, whereas if you're using it with a portable extractor, use the squeegee version. As an alternative to that, depending on what type of surface you're cleaning, if you're doing ceramic, tile, and grout, you could probably go either way. If you're doing stone or anything that's soft, I would stick to the bristle. So even with a portable extractor, I would probably still stick with a bristle head on like marble stone floor. That way you don't scratch the marble. We do have these replacement heads, so if you wanted to get the tool and then have just 2 separate heads that you could swap out, one had a squeegee and one had the bristle, then you can swap those out that way. Or you can just use the actual inserts where there's the bristle and then the squeegee, and then these just slide on and off the head. The only downside is if you slide these on and off too much, these little metal tabs, they tend to bend out and they don't grip it quite as well. So just for the sake of keeping a tight grab of this insert to the head, it usually is a better idea, just for my personal recommendation, to have one head, like this with a squeegee, and then have one head like this with a bristle, and then you can just swap the heads out, one tool, and that way you've got a nice universal option depending on what type of machine you're using, what type of floor you're cleaning, and then you've got it for everything. If you have any questions about this tool, feel free to comment on the bottom of this video and I'll respond to those, or give us a call at the store and we're happy to help anytime. Take care.